In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Amazon products on Shopify, step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your Shopify admin and that you also have an active Amazon Seller Central account. We'll start in Shopify so everything is set up cleanly. From your admin, head to the Home dashboard to get a clear starting point, then open the Apps section. This is where we'll add the tool that connects Shopify to Amazon. Inside Apps, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify Marketplace Connect. This is Shopify's official app that lets you connect your store to marketplaces like Amazon, synchronize listings and inventory, and manage orders in one place. Click into the apps page, take a moment to skim the description, features, and the featured images gallery so you understand what it will do for your catalog and order flow. Next, click Install. You'll see a series of prompts asking for permissions. Read them carefully so you know what data the app needs to function. You may be asked to grant access to things like product data, orders, and some device and activity information used for security and troubleshooting. Continue by selecting Install or Confirm on each screen until the installation completes. If a page looks like a summary or shows highlighted sections, just review and proceed. You want to fully approve the requested scopes for the connection to work properly. When the app opens, you'll land on its home screen with a prompt to grow your multi-channel business. Click Connect Account to begin linking Amazon. You'll likely see an acknowledgement screen. Choose Acknowledge and Continue, then select Connect. You'll be redirected to Amazon Seller Central to sign in. Enter your seller credentials and follow Amazon's authorization flow. It's normal to see multiple confirmation pages. Continue selecting Sign In and Authorize or Allow until Amazon confirms the connection and redirects you back to Shopify Marketplace Connect. Back in Shopify, you should now see your Amazon account connected. If you don't, wait a moment and refresh. Sometimes the handshake takes a few seconds. From here, you can manage how products sync between Shopify and Amazon. As you proceed, a few quick tips. Make sure your product titles, descriptions, and images in Shopify are accurate and complete. Keep inventory levels updated to avoid overselling. And verify pricing and fulfillment preferences match your Amazon settings. If you sell via FBA or fulfill yourself, ensure that choice is reflected consistently. That's it. Your Shopify store is connected to Amazon, and you're ready to list, sync, and sell. Thanks for